Siobhan Finari with Catlin Speak, and we are here today to ask students what they think CnC stands for.
Community and construction? I have no idea.
Well, I've always heard that nobody knows the answer to this, so I would say I'm one of those people.
Words with some C's, so counseling, chatting, consoling.
Chat and coffee. Coffee and chat. Cool cats. Cat chat.
Other words with C could be cats, so consoling and cats.
I've heard cookies as being part of it.
Cookies and coffee.
Community and care. Crumpets and cake.
Cannibalism and carrots.
Coffee. No, it's coffee and something.
Coffee and conversation.
Coffee and crumpets. I don't know.
Chat and coffee.
Chat and chew.
6th grade they said it was chat and chew.
It's like communicate.
Someone made it up.
I've heard that it stands for chat and chew, but I don't actually know.
I've heard it stands for chat and chew, but I really don't know.
It's chat and chew.
Yeah, I think it's chat and chew.
Chat and chew.
Command and conquer.
Well, in middle school, I heard that it stands for chat and chew, but there's not really any chewing because we don't get food in our CnC.
Allie told me when I came to Catlin that it was chat and chew, but I'm pretty sure that's not what it stands for.
So probably just like chatting and chaos.
Like community and conversation.
The end of faith part.
Apparently it stands for conversation and something, coffee and conversation or something. I don't know. I've asked many people and all the answers are different.
Yeah.
Come.
I think that would community.
I'm not exactly sure. I think it stands for community and conversation.
I kind of always make it up to be conversation and communication.
Community. I don't know what CnC stands for.
Now we're going to ask a few longtime faculty members what they think CnC stands for.
It stands for conversation and conferencing.
Okay.
I think.
CnC stands for conference and conversation.
Isn't it like conference and conversation or something?